Hello dear students, hope you all well with your family in your home. Here I am Shathirani Sutrodhar, lecturer Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Chapter 8, Our Resources. Today's topics: common minerals obtained from soil, use of some common minerals, properties of minerals, processing of natural gas. Common minerals obtained from soil. Various materials such as salt, lead of pencil, talcum powder, dishes of clay, china clay, etc., which we use in our life, are extracted from soil and rock. Most of them are available in solid state. They also have a defined chemical composition. So far, about 500 different types of minerals have been identified in nature. Minerals could be both metallic or non-metallic. Among the metallic minerals, iron, copper, gold and silver are notable. Among the non-metallic minerals, quartz, mica and mineral salt are well known. Use of some common minerals. Magnetic, that is Fe3O4. In iron manufacturing, limestone, that is CaCO3. In building construction, cement, glass, iron and steel production and to adjust pH of acidic soil. Quartz. In glass, sandpaper, radio and watch production. Silver. To make jewelry and metallic coins. Mica. As insulator in electric appliances. Gypsum, as raw material of cement and plaster of Paris. Metal pyrites, to manufacture metal and sulfur. Gold and diamond, to make jewelry. And last one is gas coal petroleum, as fuel in cooking, transport, industry, power plants. Properties of minerals. Minerals are usually crystalline. There are many minerals whose chemical composition is identical but their crystal structure are different. So their physical properties are also different. For example, graphite and diamond. Although both the chemicals are composed of carbon, due to structural difference, graphite is softer, which we used in pencil as lead. Whereas diamond is the hardest all of minerals known so far. You know that minerals are usually solid and they differ in hardness. Minerals of higher hardness can scratch the minerals of lower hardness easily. However, vice versa is not possible. According to hardness, talc is the softest mineral which is used for manufacturing talcum powder. On the other hand, diamond is the hardest mineral as stated above. Most of the minerals have characteristics luster. Metallic minerals such as metal pyrites show luster similar to metal. Although diamond is a non-metal, its unique luster is well known. Chemical properties of mineral. Chemical properties of mineral depends on the chemicals present in it. In this structure, we can see many minerals, rocks. Minerals such as quartz, feldspar, micas, etc. Sources of natural fuel in Bangladesh. The major natural fuels we used are natural gas, coal and petroleum. In addition, scrap wood, tree leaves, jute sticks, rice husks, cow dung are also natural fuel used in cooking. Natural gas. Natural gas, which is basically methane gas. However, a small amount of other substances such as ethane, propane and butane are also present in natural gas. Moreover, it also contains a very small amount of carbon dioxide, nitrogen and hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen, oxygen and helium. Source of natural fuel in Bangladesh. There are different theories regarding formation of natural gas. According to the mostly expected theory, they are formed from dead plants and animals in the ancient sea or ocean, hundreds of millions of years ago. The organic matter present in plant or animal body accumulated on the bottom of the sea, and decomposition occurred by the action of bacteria. Sediments of sand and mud on those organic deposits created conditions of high temperature and pressure that resulted in loss of oxygen. In this way, with increasing mural compaction, varieties of hydrocarbons molecules are formed. Natural gas and petroleum are composed of those hydrocarbons. The gas reserved from in this way is called gas oil. Processing of natural gas. Processing of natural gas is a complex industrial process which is carried out in several steps. Usually, processing begins at the gas well. Step in processing depends on composition of the fuel. Usually in gas oil, gas and petroleum are found together. So, in the first step, petroleum oil is separated from gas. Then benzene and butane present in gas are compressed and separated. To remove water from the gas, it is passed through a dehydration column. After that, the impurities present in the gas are removed. The gas mixture obtained at this stage contains nitrogen, which is separated. After separating nitrogen, the gas obtained is pure and it is transported through pipeline. Here we can see a structure which is processing of natural gas and petroleum. Gas reserves in oil in this chamber, then separation of oil from gas, then benzene and butane, then dehydration, then purification. After dehydration and purification, nitrogen is separated. Then we get natural gas to pipeline. Homework. Explain the commercialized production of natural gas. In this COVID-19 time, we all should stay home and we should wash our hand with hand wash again and again. We should also take healthy food to grow our immunity system. After all, dear my students, stay home and safe. Thanks.